Welcome to today's Excel tutorial, where we're diving into sorting data alphabetically, a fundamental skill that helps organize and analyze your data more effectively. Whether you're working with customer lists, product inventories, or any dataset, sorting alphabetically can drastically improve the clarity and accessibility of your information. Let's start by opening your Excel workbook and navigating to the worksheet containing the data you want to sort. Imagine you have a column of names that you wish to organize alphabetically. First, select the entire range of data you want to sort. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells, or by clicking the column header if you want to include all the data in that column. It's important to select the whole range to prevent any mismatched rows when Excel rearranges the data. Once you've selected your data, look for the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of your Excel window. Here, you'll find the Sort tool, which is pivotal for our task. Click on this tool to open the Sort dialog box. In this box, you will specify how you want to sort your data. Since we're sorting alphabetically, ensure that the Sort By dropdown is set to the column containing the names you selected. For the Order dropdown, choose either A to Z to sort from A to Z or Z to A if you want the list in reverse alphabetical order. After setting the sort preferences, click OK, and Excel will immediately reorganize your data according to the specified alphabetical order. If your data includes headers, Excel might prompt you to confirm whether your selection includes headers or not. Make sure to indicate this correctly to sort only the data rows, preserving your headers at the top. In addition to manual sorting, Excel offers automatic options. For tables, you can quickly sort data by using the small drop-down arrows in the header cells. Clicking these arrows reveals a quick sort option, allowing you to sort the column data alphabetically with just a couple of clicks. This method is particularly handy for ongoing projects where data is frequently updated and needs to be sorted often. To use the sort feature in a table format, first convert your data into a table in Excel by pressing Ctrl+T. This will enable you to utilize enhanced sorting capabilities seamlessly. Thank you for joining this Excel tutorial. Applying these sorting techniques will help you manage and present your data more effectively, ensuring your spreadsheets are both organized and professional. Keep exploring these tools to enhance your Excel proficiency.